Make sure I get the right one. This is going to be Martin. Submitted. Yeah, that's it. Oh, took a picture of it. All set, thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome, no problem. Oh, excellent. See, that's why you gotta, protect yourself with a camera, because you never know. You're walking down, walking in someone's house. Someone could call the police and go, "Oh, someone's trying to break in. There's a strange person." You never know. Always have some sort of camera on you. You gotta protect yourself in this society that we live in these days. And just drop it off, take a picture, and get the heck out of there. That's it. Stairwell here. Stairwell. There it is. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah, you too. Thank you. It's always fun getting lost inside of an apartment building. It's all right. No big deal. It's a learning experience, I learned I don't like making deliveries to apartment buildings, but whatever. Let's go. Delivered. There it is. Okay. Go around the car. It's okay. It's easy. All right, we just picked up a Carvel order. Let's get after it. Let's make this delivery. Now, it's nighttime now, but who cares? Let's just keep going. You want to be successful in life, you got to get after it. Don't sit on your butt watching TV, watching talk shows, watching reality shows. You got to get off your ass and get stuff done. That's how you do stuff. That's the way I've always been. That's the way I'm always going to be. You got to have a strong work ethic. Good. Proof of delivery. Don't trip. Just two quick observations. The front porch is in complete darkness, which is unsafe. And the address is obscured by the bushes, so I don't know. That's the end of this. Heading home. I'm tired. I made some money today. Did well. Yeah, that's it. It's nighttime. All right, that's it. I keep saying that's it, but whatever. Have a good night, everyone. Stay safe, drive safe, be safe. All right, later.